Kungani umuntu mayesefa abona into engabonwa abanye abantu? Angithi manje usesuka kulento ye-visible light into ebonwa ngamehlo usenyukela kwelika moya. Lapho ke yena ngithi uyakhumbula ukuthi into ekuthiwa electromagnetic frequencies. So wena into oyibonayo lento oyizwayo nento ethi reality is constitutes of 0.001 noma ke ngithi nje less than 1% ukuze just to be kwi range. I'm just mentioning a few. That is why ke umuntu abona into engabona. That is why ke uba nayo yonke into before ube nayo yonke into. Ingoba uyakwazi uactivate lento ekuthiwa i-pineal gland yakho. Imoto izokwenza ube happy for isikhathi esincane. Kodwa niyohlezi uhappy mawukwazi uactivate i-pineal gland.
Welcome back to the most high secret place. You just tapped into the southern hemisphere. Welcome to Hill Care. Shout out for you for clicking the video. Sibonga kakhulu bafethu. I came across this interesting video on TikTok, so I thought I should share with you guys, cause since we family, Yeah man. So bengathanda ukuthi simamele sisonke, then we can actually give our thoughts right down in the comment section, yabo. The content creator go by the name of Changes Akasha. You can go on TikTok and follow him up, but only if you're interested or you like his content. So after ngimameli video lena ngivela ngakhumbula Oliver Wendell Holmes le phrase le ethi a man's mind stretched to a new idea never goes back to its original dimensions. Yabo. So into le ingqizelelo ukuthi let me share this with you guys, which maybe now ungakwenza ubone impilo ngenye indlela yangithola lento le. But isikhumbule it's only for entertainment purposes only bafethu. So without further ado, let's jump straight to the video then.
Kungani umuntu mayesefa abona into engabonwa abanye abantu, abona abakubo, abona abantu abambizayo, abona into engabona nje ningayiboni nina. Ingenxa yento yokuthi lonto uyibona mesehamba ukuthi konke abekufuna bekuvele kukuyena. Ila ibona khona ke yikho abantu beze bethi umbonile uNkulunkulu wakhuluma naye before ahambe. Lalelo bese bona yena impela. Ngoba was transcending beyond the space and time yalento oyibonayo okuyi-visible light. Lonto ungakwazi ukuyenza nje before uhambe la emhlabeni bese uyarealize ukuthi kahle kahle nginayo yonke into engiyifunayo la. Lezi zinto engiyifuna kwangampela physical zisuke izonyorisha nje ukuthi zigcwalisekise into vele ngiyiyona mina. Uyakwazi ukufinyelela kuleso sigaba usaphila. Bese usufinyile leso sigaba leso uyithola ukuthi yazi kahle kahle ngisadinga ilutho ngisachase izinto ziyayizela mina ngiyabaleka zona ziyayizela. In fact akufuneki kuphela ukuthi ubaleke. Be open, be a good receiver and a good giver. Lalela ke uma ngabe kuthiwa ireality yonke iphekwa ngaphakathi, yonke into yenziwa ngaphakathi, lalela akukho mali, akukho moto, akukho muzi, akukho mfazi, akukho ndoda la izokwenza ukuthi ube happy. Wena uyakwazi ukuthi ube happy first ngoba phela lento ye-happiness ihambisana nani nesimo sani se-chemical energy esimeni sangaphakathi kuwena esireleasewa ingqondo yakho bese uzizwa uhappy. Uyakwazi ukuthi ube happy ngaphandle kokuthi uxhumane nesimo sezinto zangaphandle la emhlabeni kube ukuthi zikufica vele unjalo ngalesi sikhathi. Ubingelelo Changes Akasha uthi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona lento ocabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. La enqale khona ke ngiqale ngathi mina kungani umuntu mesehamba emhlabeni abona into engabona. Kungesimo sokuthi la kuwena ngaphakathi emqondweni wakho la khona kuyi-seat of consciousness kunesimo sento ebizwa nge-pineal gland. In the back of your mind inento ekuthiwa i-pineal gland. I-pineal gland is the seat of consciousness. Azathi lapha neBhayibhelini esengimkhohle ukuthi banathi ngimbonile uNkulunkulu and the place is called pineal. Khuphukele entabeni. Khona ke lapha ekhanda lakho esimeni sekhanda entabeni la khona i-pineal gland where is the seat of consciousness. La kuhlala khona uChrist. Angithi uyakhumbula ukuthi i-pineal gland inalento ekuthiwa ama-crystals. Inento ekuthiwa ama-crystals othi mangabe kukuthi lezo zinto uyazipressurize bese zikhipha isimo sento zikwazi ukudetecta into electromagnetic frequency bese ukwazi ukubona isimo sento engakenzeki, ukwazi ukubona isimo sento ekamoya, ukwazi ukubona izinto ezijulile. Okay ke lapho ke siyakhumbula ukuthi khona lapha esimeni sekhanda lakho kunento ekuthiwa ke ama-12 cranial nerves. Iwo ke labafundi bakaJesu abawu-12 yena bese bayi-pineal gland lapha in the seat of consciousness. Bese kuthiwa isimo sikaChrist isimo sokwenza lawa ama-crystals ukuthi athi shivering bese yakwazi ukuthi akufike sekulesi simo. Kodwa ke ake ngiqalelana ke engiqale kule sasimo lesengikhulume ngaso ngathi mina masuhamba ubona into engabona isimo sokuthi phela vele uma ngabe sewuhamba emhlabeni vele kunesimo sento release ile pineal gland yakho ngithi yakhumbula ukuthi i-pineal gland responsible for melatonin and serotonin. So melatonin ile ukwenza ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi uphuphe mawukwazi ukuthi i-melatonin iyakwazi ukuthi mangabe isithe uku-advance kancane bese ikwazi ukuthi i-affect isimo sani se-serotonin yakho emveni kwalokho ukwazi ukushintsha isimo ukwazi ukuthi u-release into ebizwa ukuthi i-DMT ukwazi ukuthi i-pineal gland release into ekuthiwa i-DMT i-dimethyltryptamine i-DMT ke into ekwenza ukuthi uthi go beyond kunezinto ezikwazi ukuthi zidliwe abantu ezifana nensango into ezifana nama-psychedelic izinto ezingama consciousness altering substances ezikwenza ukuthi ukwazi ukubona into engabona abantu basebenzisa insanga abanye basebenzisa into eziningi ehlukahlukene noma mushroom bani tontoni baso befuna leya DMT abakwazi ukuthi beze activate le yona ukuze bekwazi ukubona izinto ezingabona ngamehlo enyama engaziwa ngendlebe enyama. So ke suke sekurelease ka leyo DMT ke umuntu bese eyibona asebona i-internal experience angithi manje usuke usesuka kulento ye-visible light into ebonwa ngamehlo usenyukela kwelikamoya lapho ke yena ngithi uyakhumbula ukuthi into ekuthiwa electromagnetic frequencies. So wena into oyibonayo lento oyizwayo nento othi reality is constitute of 0.001 noma ke ngithi nje less than 1% ukuze just to be kwi range less than 1% lento othi real when it is less than 1%. So ke lokho kunye ke okungale ka 99 more than 99% yilokho ongakwazi ukuthi ukuperceive wena usuke sekwazi ukuthi akuperceive. Yiso ke leso sikhathi leso kube ukuthi ingenxa lo DMT la akwazi ukuthi abone khona i-experience beyond into ekuthiwa i-space time. So ke ngaleyo ndlela ke ngakangene ekuthenini wena uyakwazi ukwenza lokho ngizongena la ekuthenini yilapho ke la khona umuntu angakwazi ukuthi antshontshwe khona ngoba usuke sekwazi ukubona izinto ezibeyond space time ezibeyond physical usungakwazi ukuthi abone izinto ezizilwane ezithile ezingama entities athile angakwazi ukuthi amthwebula amtshontshe ngaleso sikhathi umuzwe ethi yebo ngiyeza ekhuluma kodwa nena nibondle lo muntu ukhuluma nani athi ngiyeza yebo ziyamdonsa lezi zinto lezi ngoba phela usiyakwazi saxhumane nazo ile nto okwazi ukuyenza before nje ukuthi uzushona abanye bayenza ngo astral projection abanye bayenza ngendlela eziningi ezihlukene ukuthi urelease liyana ngaleso sikhathi ke mntakwethu mangabe kunegama engilifunayo lesingisi usu enhance i-pineal gland yakho ngaleso sikhathi leso ziningi kakhulu izinto ezenzeka kuwena ngempela ezokujula uyajula ngempela awusaba into okudlala esimeni samaphupho mfethu ngikutshele mina i-melatonin yakho yenza into ezimangazayo emaphusheni akho ubona ezinye izinto ubona izinto engisazokwenzeka ubona izinto ezingqo eziwushowcase. Futhi ke ngale kwalokho uma usukwazile ukuthi ustimulate i-pineal gland yakho uyakwazi ukuthi uregulate udown regulate into ekuthiwa ama-stress hormones o-cortisol ngenxa yokuthi i-amygdala yakho iyakwazi ukuthi icontrole ngoba kunama biochemicals athile arelease yona i-pineal gland akwazi ukuthi aregulate lapha i-amygdala yakho responsible for i-survival. So uyakwazi ukuthi uyithole umzimba wakho relaxed kodwa umqondo wakho u-enhance and alert ngaleyo ndlela leyo ama-outer experiences asuke engasakwazi ukuthi a-dictate ukuthi what is going to happen to you. Ngene kule part yesibili engithe mina ayikho into ekhona la emhlabeni engakwenza ukuthi ube happy. Lezi zinto wena uthi zokwenza ube happy imali yini lezi zinto zala emhlabeni ama holidays thatha ama holiday kulala ema hotel lezo zinto lezi zisebenza njengani zisebenza njenge helping or njengani it's a device estimulate ingqondo yakho ukuthi ube kuleso simo leso yabo kahle lezi zinto lezi zitemporary ukujabulisa kwazo because zisebenza as a means through which you are releasing these biochemicals ngoba khumbula ukuthi uma ngabe ukuthi usustimulate i-pineal gland yakho iyakwazi ukuthi i-pineal gland yakho yenze i-pituitary gland ukuthi i-release lento ekuthiwa i-oxytocin okuyi-love hormone. You realize ukuthi mase usu-activate leyo pineal gland yakho wayistimulate ngaleyo ndlela uphila othandweni awuzizwa ushoda uba one uba in the universe you become the universe yabo you become one with everything ayikho into ofuna ukuyihetha because you feel loved awuzizwa ushoda uba holy that is what you are holy we are one universe uni means one you are just one with everything mangabe uswenze leyo into leyo masu activate leyo pineal gland yakho ususa leya pressure lapha yama cerebrospinal fluid yanyuswa ngaleyo pressure waletha la phezulu ngokwenza into ekuthiwa pranayama or breathing techniques uyawasusa la ezansi ayanyuka la ngesikhathi enyuka lama cerebrospinal fluid kunento ayishiyayo la electrical ethi go through ihambe nakulama nerves akho aya kwamanye ama muscles ukuze umzimba wakho uba electrified yabo inyuka nje yala phezulu emqondweni wakho eniyo pineal gland ifika inyakazisa lama crystals lawa lapho suku sewufana ne-TV suku sewufana ne-radio because i-pineal gland isebenza as an antenna ekwenza ukuthi ukwazi ukubona izinto engaboni izinto ezibeyond the space and time yabo then ngaleso sikhathi usuku usufana nani usuku information you are operating in the information ngaleso sikhathi leso information ke it is everywhere it is in the quantum ngaleso sikhathi wena usu-downloada the information that is from the quantum field usubona imibono engabonwa usuqhamuka nama innovations athile angekho la you are out of this world, you are becoming supernatural awusafani nomuntu ophilayo nje la ordinary ngaso sikhathi usuwenzeni wena usu-activate leyo pineal gland. I'm just mentioning the few the pineal gland is capable of yabo down regulating, you are activating your lokhungani operator kwi-autonomous nervous system yakho umzimba wakho uyawutshela ukuthi relax. Now your mind become the mind, not the body become the mind, because abantu abaningi bashawa ukuthi imzimba yabo their bodies are mind. Umzimba wona omtshela ukuthi akenze njengamanje yonke energy stored in the body kwi flight or fight mode yabo ngathi ngaleso sikhathi leso inyusa la energy isesezantsi isa phezulu wandisa into ekuthiwa i-toroid field yakho ngaso sikhathi ithatha information from phezulu iyayibuyisa iletha la kuwena. We are expanding your field le protector yento eziningi. I'm just mentioning a few. That is why ke umuntu abona into engabona. That is why ke uba nayo yonke into before ube nayo yonke into ingoba uyakwazi uactivate lento ekuthiwa i-pineal gland yakho. Imoto izokwenza ube happy for isikhathi esincane kodwa uyohlezi uhappy uma ukwazi uactivate i-pineal gland regardless ukuthi unani.
I'm